In this question, it is given that a planet is at an average distance d from the sun, and its average surface temperature is T. So we are considering that there is a planet over here which is at a distance, let's say, d from the sun. So assume that sun is at the center, and distance from planet to sun, assume that the planet is located somewhere over here. So the distance of planet from sun is represented by something like d, and its average surface temperature is T. So assume that the temperature of this planet is equal to T, and assume that the planet receives energy only from the sun, loss of energy only through the radiation from its surface, neglect the atmospheric effect if T is directly proportional to d raised to and d raised to minus n, the value of n is equal to. So we can say that the this is receiving some amount of energy from sun, and it is emitting some amount of radiation from this object. And if it is at a constant temperature, we can say that the amount of energy received will be equal to the amount of energy which is emitted. So let's say the temperature of sun is equal to Ts. So we can write the amount of energy emitted by the sun will be equal to E sigma A, where A is area of sun, which we can take, let's say the radius of sun is Rs. If you want, you can write in terms of radius, or you can just take it as area of sun into temperature of sun raised to 4. So a part of this energy is received by this object. So we can say that, or the planet. So we can write divided by, it is going to spread in an area of this sphere. The area of the sphere is nothing but 4 pi. We can take it as d square. So this much amount of energy is getting on the surface, and into the cross-sectional area of planet is the energy received, total energy received by the planet. So you can write into the cross-sectional area of planet is equal to the amount of energy emitted by the planet. So we can write that is equal to E sigma A, that is area of that planet, into we can take it as temperature of object raised to 4. Now Rm is just to find out the relation between this T and D. So we can write as T raised to 4 is directly or inversely proportional to D square, or you can write T raised to 4 is directly proportional to D raised to minus 2, or you can write this T is directly proportional to D raised to minus 2 raised to 1 by 4, that becomes D raised to minus 1 divided by 2. So we can write according to this equation, the question Rm is to find out the value of n over here. So we can write the value of n will be equal to 1 divided by 2.